Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into sharing Todoist projects with your team members, the complete 2025 guide. First up, open your Todoist app and select the project you want to share. This is crucial because it allows you to choose the specific tasks and deadlines you want your team members to see. Now that we've chosen our project, click on the three dots at the top right corner, which will open a drop-down menu. Select Project Settings. The reason we do this is to access the sharing settings for that project. In the project settings, you'll see an option called Share Project. Click on this, and you'll see a text field where you can input the email address of the team member you want to share the project with. This helps us because Todoist will send an invitation to that email address, giving the recipient access to view and collaborate on the project. After entering all the email addresses, hit the Send Invites button. Let me explain why this matters. This step sends the actual invites to your team members, allowing them to access the project and all its associated tasks. Now that you've sent your invites, here's what's happening behind the scenes. Todoist is sending an email to each invitee with a link to join the project. The recipient just has to accept the invite to gain access to the project. And that's it. You've successfully shared your Todoist project with your team members. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next tutorial. Stay organized.